Harwin Kona 8.5mm pitch, high reliability connector family achieves a high quality, high current connection for the most demanding environments. Individually shrouded contacts achieve 60 amps of continuous current and 3,000 volts per contact, with a durability rating of 250 mating cycles. The 6-finger contact design is beryllium copper and gold plated to maintain electrical continuity under heavy shock and vibration, and is available in a compact single-row package and cable-to-board configurations. Low outgassing properties meet NASA and ESA outgassing requirements for both vacuum or space use. Stainless steel mate before lock thumbscrews prevent damage during the locking process by ensuring the contacts are fully mated before engaging the fixings, while backpotting cavities provide additional strain relief. These connectors provide a quick and easy mating process that does not require additional tooling.